Assalamualaikum, my dear students. Hope you are fine by the mercy of Almighty Allah. This is Mehnaz Akhtar speaking. Now I am going to take a class from English for today, Unit 6, Lesson 3. Okay, today's topic is going through immigration. Everyone, please open your text and exercise copy. First, I will discuss about the keywords. You can see the first word is departure. It means the act of leaving a place or exit. Two meanings are given here. Next word is booth. Booth means counter. And then counter, a long table on which customers served. Next, the word is scan. Scan means to look at every part of something carefully. Machine readable, the state that a computer can read. Students, you please take a note on these keywords. Okay, next you open the lesson 3 in your text. So students, on page number 63 in lesson 3 there you can see two pictures. The first picture is the cover page of a Bangladeshi passport, and the second picture we can see some people are gathered here. Actually it is the airport where people get their passport, visa and departure card asked by an immigration officer and get the final permission of their traveling. Okay, now open the next page. On page 64 there are 4 questions for you. What you have seen in this picture, the questions are regarding that. First question is, why does a person need a passport? You know this, a person needs a passport to go abroad, to go to a foreign country, that means. Question number 2, what are those booths for? The answer will be, those booths are for immigration related services. Question number 3, why are people standing in a line in front of them? People are standing in a line in front of them to get visa, passport and departure cards. Question number 4, what are the persons doing inside the booth? The persons inside the booth are the immigration officers. They are checking the visas, passports and departure cards of the passengers. Okay, now you look at the text B. I'm reading the lessons. Everybody please listen attentively. Zara's parents, Mrs. Juma Islam, Mr. Mazharul Islam, Zara and Mita, fill in their departure cards and move towards the immigration counter. Mita stands in front of one of the booths. She hands in her passport and the departure card to the officer. The immigration officer goes through Mita's passport, visa and the departure card. Are you traveling alone? Asked the officer. No, I am going with my aunt, uncle and cousin, says Mita. They are right there on that counter. Is this your first visit to Thailand? Yes. How long are you going to stay there? 7 to 10 days. Where are you going to stay? In a hotel. The officer is talking as well as going through Mita's papers. He finds the papers okay. He smiles and stamps her passport. The officer keeps the departure card and returns the passport to Mita. Have a safe journey. Thanks. Mita waits for her aunt, uncle and Zara on the other side of the immigration. Once all of them are done, they walk towards the passengers' departure lounge. So students, I have read out the lesson. I think everybody you have listened to the lesson attentively. So I am now going to tell about the summary of this lesson. This passage is about Zara, her parents, and Mita's going through the immigration. They have got their visa, passport, and the departure card checked by the immigration officer. The immigration officer asks some questions to Mita and Mita answers them. Keeping the departure card, the immigration officer returns her passport. After that, they walk towards the passenger's departure lounge. Okay, this was the summary of the lesson. Now I am going to give you some homework. Everybody look at the page number 65. Exercise C. You have to make a list showing what the immigration officer asks and tells Mita and what Mita says in response. One is done for you. You can see immigration officer asks, "Are you traveling alone?" Mita replies, "No, I am traveling with my aunt, uncle and cousin." Here are some gaps. You have to make the other 4 questions. What immigration officer asks in the text and what Mita replies, you have to write down here. So this homework is for you. If you have some problem, then you can contact me. So students, goodbye. Stay home and stay safe.